If your HP docking station suddenly stops working, shows display glitches, or fails to charge your laptop, performing a hard reset can often fix the problem. Docking stations store temporary power and system states that sometimes cause ports or video outputs to become unresponsive after updates or driver conflicts. A hard reset completely powers down the dock and clears this temporary memory so it can reconnect properly with your computer. This simple process is often the first troubleshooting step before reinstalling drivers or replacing hardware. Step 1. Disconnect the HP docking station from your laptop and unplug the power adapter. Step 2. Wait about 30-60 seconds to allow the dock's internal power to fully discharge. Step 3. If your model has one, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Step 4. Plug the power cable back into the dock and reconnect it to your laptop. Step 5. Test the USB ports, Ethernet, and display connections, and update drivers if needed.